Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best gear for your needs, and today, we've got something that deserves a spot in every workshop. Introducing the best corner hardware you didn't know you needed, the Housolution single-handle aluminum alloy clamp. Let's start with the design. When you look at this tool, you immediately know it means business. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it combines strength with surprising lightness. That means you get rock-solid clamping without feeling like you're moving a brick around your workspace. The design is intuitive. A single handle lets you clamp down with one hand, freeing the other for precision alignment or adjustments. Whether you're a woodworker, metalworker, or DIY hobbyist, this clamp has you covered. It's built to hold metal tubes, steel rods, wood pieces, thick glass, and even acrylic. So whether you're framing a cabinet, fixing a chair leg, or assembling an aquarium, this tool adjusts smoothly and locks tightly. It's a universal solution to the kinds of projects that demand a steady, secure hold. The 90-degree corner clamping function is what makes this stand out. You can align pieces at a perfect right angle, without any wobble or misalignment. This is especially important when you're working on picture frames, shelving, or any type of furniture. The accuracy is impressive, and the clamp holds firm without damaging your material, which is a huge win. What really elevates it, though, is its one-handed operation. Anyone who's ever tried to juggle multiple clamps while holding pieces in place knows how frustrating that can be. With this, the rotating handle mechanism is smooth, fast, and strong enough to get the job done without slipping or sticking. And let's talk about build quality. The aluminum alloy is not just strong, it's corrosion resistant. So whether you're working in a humid basement or out in the garage, this clamp is going to hold up over time. The parts feel premium, the rotating spindle doesn't catch, and the jaws remain parallel even under pressure, which means you get consistent clamping every time. From cabinetry and framing to basic home repairs, this clamp is a workshop MVP. It replaces the need for multiple clamps and lets you do complex corner work solo, saving you both time and frustration. It's not flashy, but it's efficient, reliable, and solid. The kind of tool that earns its place in your daily routine. So if you've been searching for a tool that simplifies your builds, boosts accuracy, and actually makes your DIY projects easier, look no further. The Housolution single-handle clamp is your new go-to. Trust me, your future self, and your finished projects, will thank you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our deep dives into the tools and tech that make a real difference. See you in the next one.